Are you ready to revolutionize your daily routine with just a chair? Yes, a chair. This isn't just about sitting, it's about transforming your health with every seat you take. Welcome to Seniors Health Club. Join us as we unveil 5 simple chair exercises for 2024. Perfectly tailored for seniors seeking to boost their fitness without the strain of standing workouts. Exercise 1, seated leg lifts. Sit tall in a chair with your feet flat on the floor and knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Lift one leg straight out in front of you, keeping your knees straight. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower your leg back down. Repeat 10-15 times, then switch legs. This strengthens the quadriceps and hip flexors, improving leg strength and stability. Exercise 2, seated marches. Sit upright in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Lift one knee towards your chest as if you are marching, then lower it back down. Alternate legs, lifting each knee as high as comfortably possible. Continue marching for 1-2 minutes. This exercise enhances hip flexor and thigh strength, promotes cardiovascular health, and improves circulation. Exercise 3, chair squats. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend your knees and lower your body towards the chair, then sit down gently. Stand back up, using your legs, not your hands, to bring yourself to a standing position. This builds strength in your thighs, hips, and glutes, which is essential for good balance, and improves functional strength and mobility. Exercise 4, seated toe taps. Sit tall in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Tap your toes on the ground, lifting your heels off the floor. Continue tapping your toes for 1-2 minutes. This strengthens the lower legs and ankles and improves circulation and coordination. Exercise 5, seated torso twists. Sit upright in a chair with your feet flat on the floor and knees bent. Place your hands behind your head or on your shoulders. Twist your torso to one side, engaging your oblique muscles. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the center. Twist to the other side and hold. Repeat 10-15 times on each side. It strengthens the oblique muscles and improves core stability, enhances spinal flexibility and rotational movement. Stay tuned, grab your chair, and let's dive into fitness that fits your lifestyle. Don't let age slow you down. With just a few minutes a day, you can transform your health and well-being. Don't forget to share this video with someone you care about, and subscribe for more valuable tips to lead a healthier, happier life. Together, we can live a healthy life and stay active. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.